How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect your JBL soundbar to your microphone. Now, unfortunately, the JBL soundbars is designed for a specific reason, and that's for audio output, not input. So for certain models, it will prompt you or it will show you this plugs or connections that we have, which is basically the generics one with power, USB, Ethernet, optical, HDMI, and more. So if this is the type of the soundbar that you have, unfortunately, there's no way to connect your microphone onto it unless your microphone also has a Bluetooth connection. So just try pairing up with the JBL soundbar and from there see if it works. But for some models of JBL soundbars, they also include with the 3.5 millimeter jack. So what you want to do with this jack is to just plug it onto your microphone, plug it onto the back of your JBL soundbar, and from there you will be able to connect them easily. And for some other microphones like JBL, they include this wireless adapter in order for you to use the microphone wirelessly. And so that's how you connect your microphone onto the JBL soundbar. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.